Okay guys, new puzzle. Let's see this one. This looks pretty easy. Okay, he's threatening to take, and I don't see any other threat. Maybe he can go here. That's also a big threat. And I don't have a. So basically, what do? Check. He takes. I take. He takes, and I don't have anything here. There. If I take here, it goes here. So that's not. There's no. The check on that square is not good. Let's see, check. If he goes here, have nothing there too. So maybe I can try this one. And what am I threatening with that? Then probably is just rook here. And if he takes, if I take with the pawn, then he's gonna lose the rook. And what else can he do if I go here? Let's say he plays this. And then I actually cannot move. He has to protect this. So maybe after this move he cannot take, and he cannot go here, and he cannot move the queen actually nowhere because he has to go here, protect that. Let's say he moves rook here, and then what's my final blow? You just takes, he goes here, and I don't think I'm actually winning there. So maybe instead, if he goes here, I go here with rook, and then he's gonna lose the queen because he has to protect this. So he takes, and that's it. What else do I have? I don't think there is another move. Okay, so now this or what? Takes. I think there is nothing there. It should be just this move. I don't see anything better. Okay, and now takes and take. Okay, that was rated 2608. That's pretty high for not so hard puzzle, but okay. Thanks for watching guys, see you in the next video.